All right, so this is a devlog where I'm going to share this video out and start introducing this game that I'm working on. It's really minor right now, but I find it fun to play. So I'm going to grab onto the swords and talk. Okay, so the idea is that I'm traveling through the darkness and then I end up coming across a troll team. The movement speed will be controlled in-game, where once I get here and they start attacking, I stop where I am. I don't want to go up to them directly. What I want to do is collect the energy from all these little magic things and from these orbs, charge up the swords, and then volley an attack back. And then basically it's supposed to be kind of creepy campy. They're supposed to make like cute noises and stuff, and then run off when they end up getting attacked successfully. Alright, a couple problems I'm running into with it right now is the distance as I move it. It's not capturing enough here, so orbs can go straight through this and not realize that they were actually hit. There, that one passed right through. So I need to get the distance, which will probably do several ray cast points from its first to its previous, and get rid of the use of colliders. At least I'll just use colliders on the end objects. I'm also going to do a little research to see what other people may have done to solve this, because that passing through where it physically should have touched, that's one thing. Another thing is the distance that these shots are going. These are ending like right here. They go about 8 meters away from the target. This one is closer, so its shots go farther out, but I'd like to see them fizzle out, not just pass me and disappear, though most of my attention is back this way, or to this side, so I wouldn't even notice that necessarily. Lower priority. Increasing the chances of a hit, definitely a higher priority.